Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to use Copilot in Telegram. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now here, as you can see, when I open my phone, you should go to your Telegram, then you should search here for Copilot official bot. Choose this option right here with the verified sign, first option. Then here, as you can see, you will have this page with the start button on the bottom right here. Click on start, then it will show you this message right here. Click on I accept, and after that it will load for some time. And now you should send your mobile number. Click on send my mobile number, click share contact, and it will simply share your mobile. Now I can simply use the Copilot. All you have to do right now is to simply ask him any question that you want to ask. So I'm gonna ask him for how many countries in Europe, for example. Then I will wait for its response. As you can see now, it's typing. You just have to give it some time. And now here, as you can see, it gives me the answer. It says that there are 44 countries in Europe according to the United Nations. And as you can see now, it's very useful and you can use it in many fields. And that is it, my friends. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.